sa inyo kung paano mag-assemble ng bumili ako ng table dito sa aming couch dito sa Kuwait. Kailangan natin tong assemble ito. From Ikea. Mostly kasi ng mga gamit sa Ikea, madali lang din siyang assemble. Sa ilalim siya. Ay! Sarap this. Screw din siya. Ito yung paa. I-screw muna natin ito. Kaya ko to! Kaya ko to! So, meron siyang 4 na screw. Na ganito. Kompleto siya. Ganito lang siya, guys. Lord, have mercy. Talaga siya. Kung makita yung butas. Muna, ikot-ikot muna. Ikot-ikot lang. Nice na siya. So kung makikita nyo, mayroon siyang sukatan dito. Done. Ayan na siya. Ito, yun lang ang kortina. Kasi naka-sale siya, guys. Karamihan kasi ng placemat ko is ano siya, yung parang linen. I have this hanging candle. I don't know where I will going to put this. Ironing pad. Hanging Ikea daw pa rin ito, parang ganito. Table natin. Kung meron tayong mga bisita. This is some precaution. Kitchen things. Fork. Dahil marami akong spoon, nakalimutan ko din ng fork. Ouch! For fruits. Bato-bato. For the halaman, for the plant. Ayan. Kompleto siya. Panghalukay. Pwede nyo ilagay sa ilalim pagka hindi siya nagpapantay or hindi nagpapantay sa table. Alam nyo na, mga earrings, mga kung ano-ano. And this one, this is 39 KD before. 5 KD na lang siya, guys. 70% discount. 39 KD dati. So I hope you enjoy watching how I assemble the lock table from Ikea. So yun guys, napakadali lang siya pero kailangan mo talaga ng muscle. As in muscle. Napagod ako at pinagpawisan pero napakamura lang niya. And it's only like 6 KD, 900 feels I guess, like 7 KD. Alam ko medyo nakakapagod, but I'm so happy that I already installed it. And there you go. Yeah. So, I'm a type of woman like, I like to assemble things. I like to fix something inside the house. Sometimes they said, why don't you let your husband do it? Come on, guys. Women out there, if we can fix it, why not do it, right? You can do it. Don't just depend on your husband or your boyfriend. Because they're really wanna do it, we can do it. Right? Are you agree to that? Yes, you have to say yes. Thank you so much. If you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe, hit the bell button for notification, and don't forget to share. And if you guys want me to do something, just comments on the below comments box, and I will surely read all that, and I'll see if I can do it. Thank you so much for watching.